Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. If Spotify pauses music on your iPhone after the latest update of iOS, then keep watching this video to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch Spotify. Here we have to tap on settings in top right corner, scroll and tap logout and log out from the Spotify. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and tap and hold the App Store, tap on updates and update your Spotify. After updating the Spotify app, launch settings. Tap on general and tap iPhone storage. And we have to make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. After that, scroll, find and tap on Spotify and tap offload app again. After offload app, force close the settings, then launch settings again, general, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all settings. We need to put iPhone passcode and tap again, reset all settings to confirm. After the restart, we have to check another update, the iOS update. Under general, tap on software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Here we have to also check the internet connection. We have to make sure that we have a strong and stable internet connection. If none of these is not working, then tap and hold the stop Spotify. Now tap remove app and tap delete app. After deleting the app, force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After that, launch App Store. Search for Spotify and re-download the Spotify. That's it. With these simple and easy steps, you will get rid of this issue and enjoy your music. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.